Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I will discuss interview questions and answers related to the internal promotion examination for banks. Welcome to part 2 of my Path to the Corner Office 2025 to 2026 series, where I simplify bank promotion examination interviews with practical questions and answers. Examples help you climb the banking career ladder faster. Interview questions and answers, especially from Star Vehicle Loan and its variants, and Personal Loans and its variants. Who are the eligible customers under the Star Vehicle Loan Scheme for individuals? Eligible customers include A. Salaried employees with salary slips and Form 16 for the last 12 months. B. Professionals, self-employed, businessmen, high net worth individuals. C. Farmers. D. Senior citizens, pensioners, retired bank employees, except dismissed and compulsorily retired. E. Staff with minimum 6 months of satisfactory service. F. NRIs jointly with resident Indian close relatives. And G. Bank confirmed staff that can also apply for amounts beyond staff loan limits under the same terms as the general public. Can HOFs avail of vehicle loans under the Star Vehicle Loan Scheme? No. HUFs are explicitly not permitted under the scheme for entities other than individuals. What is the maximum age limit for an individual applying for a vehicle loan? The age should not exceed 65 years at the time of availing the loan. For joint accounts, the age of the senior most applicant whose income is considered will be reckoned. What is the margin requirement for new and used vehicles? New vehicles, 10% on road price, includes basic price, road tax, insurance, registration, excludes accessories. Second-hand vehicles, minimum 30% on depreciated value, value is assessed value, or sale consideration, whichever is lower. No deviations in margin are allowed. How is the loan quantum calculated for individual borrowers? Loan eligibility is based on repayment capacity linked to net take home pay as per latest salary slip or Form 16 or ITR. NTHP slabs less than or equal to rupees 1 lakh 40%, for 1 to for rupees 1 to 5 lakhs 30%, for more than rupees 5 lakhs 25%. Explain the concept of adding back depreciation for income computation. Depreciation can be added back to compute net annual income only for businessmen, professionals, or self-employed individuals who A. Run business on proprietorship basis, B. Have availed loans from banks or FIs or NBFCs for assets on which depreciation is claimed, C. Depreciation added back should not exceed the average of last 3 years or last FY's depreciation, whichever is lower. What are the security requirements for vehicle loans above rupees 200 lakhs? For loans exceeding rupees 200 lakhs or water vehicles, collateral security is required. A. Liquid security, 100% of loan amount. B. Immovable property, 125%. C. Shares or mutual funds, 200%. Is third party guarantee mandatory? No. Third party guarantee is not insisted if the vehicle is registered with RTO and bank's charge is registered. List the key documents required for individual vehicle loan proposals. Application cum proposal, statement of assets and liabilities, DP note and installment letter, RTO forms 29 and 30 with undertaking, identity and address proof, income proof, ITR and salary slips, loan recovery arrangement, SI, ECS or ENSEH, 2 and 3 CTS compliant PDCs, sanction letter acknowledged by borrower or guarantor, DDER 02 IRACP agreement. What is the delegation for sanctioning a new four-wheeler loan for a Scale 3 officer? Scale 1 rupees 5 lakhs, Scale 2 rupees 10 lakhs, Scale 3 rupees 10 lakhs, branch rupees 15 lakhs, RBC. Scale 4 and 5 ZLCC, FGMLCC have higher slabs up to full power. Who can approve takeover of vehicle loans from other banks? Takeover is permitted if vehicle is less than or equal to 2 years old, single ownership, no insurance claim, account with other bank is standard. For customers with less than 2 years of satisfactory conduct, delegation rests with ZLCC and above. With what extra due diligence is required for bulk proposals? For 10 plus cases from same employer, confirm employee status with employer, independently verify salary slips or ITRs, conduct on-site residence verification, individual pre-sanction interview, notionally book exposure to employer company for prudential limits. How should a branch verify the genuineness of a vehicle dealer? Dealer must be in LOS builder or dealer master. Verify via manufacturer's website contact details. Check GST or TIN on government portals, tinxsys.com. Ensure dealer account matches LOS details. Avoid dealers with accounts in small cooperative banks without full due diligence. What is the loan range for contactless vehicle loans? Rupees 10,000 to rupees 50 lakhs. What is the TAT for contactless loan processing? Should not exceed 5 working days from in principle approval. When should NOC be issued after loan closure? Within 7 working days from completion of repayment. Vahan menu is enabled for hypothecation charge termination. What is Key Facts Statement KFS and when is it issued? KFS is a simplified loan agreement summary provided to borrowers in a standardized format. It must be issued to all prospective borrowers in the digital journey. Can a partnership firm with an HUF as a partner avail a vehicle loan? No. The scheme does not permit HUF as a part of a partnership for vehicle loans. Is financing allowed for battery operated vehicles without RTO registration? No. Vehicles run on non conventional energy must be registered with RTO if power consumption is more than 0.25 kilowatts or speed is more than 25 kilometers per hour. What is a personal loan as per BOI's Master Circular? A personal loan is an unsecured loan offered to individuals to meet various financial needs based on creditworthiness, income, and repayment capacity. It does not require collateral in its clean form. What are the key eligibility criteria for personal loan? Salaried permanent employees of central or state government, corporates, and BOI staff, professionals, and high net worth individuals. Existing diamond and platinum customers with accounts for more than 6 months. employees of proprietorship and partnership firms, subject to CLCC approval, more than 5 years existence, more than 20 permanent employees with PF and salary account with BOI. Explain the calculation of loan quantum for unsecured personal loans. Salaried, 15 times monthly net emoluments. Others, 100% of gross average income as per last three ITRs. What is net take home pay and its stipulations? NTHP is the income remaining after deducting EMI. Up to rupees 1 lakh gross, NTHP is more than or equal to 40%. Rupees 5 1 to 5 lakhs is more than or equal to 30%. Rupees 5 lakhs plus is more than or equal to 25%. No deviations allowed. What is Star Mitra personal loan and who is eligible? It is a special loan for differently abled persons to buy aids and appliances for rehabilitation. Eligibility: physically challenged individuals, salaried or self employed, and minors through parents or legal guardians. Describe the Star Pensioner Loan Scheme. For regular and family pensioners drawing pension through BOI: A. Maximum loan rupees 10 lakhs. B. Unsecured 15 months net pension. C. Secured 20 months net pension. D. Repayment 30 to 60 EMIs. E. NTHP is greater than or equal to 40% of pension. What is SSEPL? Star Suvidha Express Personal Loan. A fast track personal loan for A. Existing housing loan customers with EQM. B. Salaried employees with salary account, POI or other banks. C. Qualified doctors with 3 plus years experience. D. Education loan borrowers with property collateral. E. Staff members and pensioners. What is the soft loan under SSEPL for ex staff? Exclusive for funding group medical insurance premium for retirees. A. Maximum 90% of premium or rupees 1 lakh. B. ROI RBLR. C. Repayment 10 EMIs, no moratorium. What security is required for secured personal loans? Equitable and legal mortgage of property valued greater than or equal to 150% of loan. Pledge of NSC and KVP and bonds and insurance policy with surrender value greater than or equal to loan amount. Hypothecation of financed assets. List key documents required for personal loan processing. Application plus asset liability statement. Composite hypothecation agreement CHA 1. DP note installment letter. DDDR01 for unsecured loans. Guarantee letter OD 194. Authority letter to employer for deduction ENACH mandate or ECS form. 2 CTS and 2010 checks as security PDCs. IRACP agreement. What is the role of LOS e-platform in loan processing? All proposals except VSAT branches must be processed through e-platform for consistency, speed and compliance. How is credit rating done for personal loans? Using the rating sheet. Minimum score required 44 out of 100. Covers personal info, bureau score, financials and security type. What are the KYC or due diligence measures pre-sanction? physical inspection and borrower interaction, CIR from CIBIL plus one more agency, verification of salary slips and Form 16 and ITR, property visit if mortgaged, PAN, Aadhaar, address proof verification, employer confirmation in group lending. What precautions should branches take against fraud? Test checks on salary certificates, avoid loans in quick succession to relatives, no lending through middlemen, verify original documents, physical visit to residence and workplace. What is the contact lens loan perform? A digital portal, PSB loans in 59minutes.com/boy for quick in principle approval. A. URL access via BOI website. B. CAM report generated for branch use. C. Minimum documentation, ITR, bank statement, KYC. What are the key guidelines for contact lens loans? Loan range rupees 10,000 to rupees 5 lakhs personal, rupees 1 lakh to rupees 10 crores home. CIBIL score more than 675, NTHP greater than or equal to 40% for personal loans, TAT less than or equal to 8 working days from in principle approval. Explain the scoring model for contactless personal loans. Total score 53, qualifying 20, parameters work experience, age, house ownership, employment category, FOIR, check bounce history, DPD, ROI and tenure linked to score band. What is the review process for personal loan accounts? Annual review in statement form, accounts up to rupees 5 lakhs under credit inspection, no processing charges at review. What is the importance of CERSAI in secured loans? CERSAI registration is mandatory for creating security interest over property, prevents multiple financing on same asset. What concessions are available for women borrowers? 0.50% per annum interest concession provided account holders are all women. ROI not to fall below RBLR. How is loan disbursement done in SSEPL? In one go, credited to SB or salary or operative account of borrower. What is the role of IRACP agreement? It is the Indian Banks Association recommended common agreement for personal loans standardizing terms. Thank you very much for your patience. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.